Ramadan, precious moments of Ramadan.
It is reported by Sayyidina Anas radiallahu ta'ala that the beloved Habib sallallahu alayhi wa sallam stated, without doubt, everything has a heart, and the heart of the Quran is Surah Yasin. Whoever recites Surah Yasin once, the reward of reciting the entire Quran 10 times will be written for him. Subhanallah. In this month of Ramadan al-Mubarak, when the reward of good deeds is being increased many-fold, why don't we make it a habit of reciting Surah Yasin Sharif in the morning and in the evening? Why? Because Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam has stated that whoever starts his day with Surah Yasin, all his needs will be fulfilled during the day. So whatever you plan for the day in this beautiful month of Ramadan al-Mubarak, start it by recitation of Surah Yasin Sharif. And alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, all your needs will be fulfilled. And then, we're at the time of great fear and distress. Virus going around, everybody is worried. We're going to die one day. Listen to this beautiful hadith Mubarakah. Why not make it a habit of reciting Surah Yasin Sharif before you go to sleep every night? Sayyidina Anas radiallahu ta'ala says, the Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, whoever regularly recites Surah Yasin every night, and then when he passes away, he will die as a martyr. Subhanallah. Try and make it a habit of reciting Durud Pak before, and then reciting Surah Yasin Sharif and Durud Pak after. And alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, in this beautiful month of Ramadan al-Mubarak, the blessings will be amazing. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu.